Hope this is my job and work ideal within 5 years.
Management ambil satu inisiatif yang baik melanggan software KPI ini, dan kita ada satu KPI target untuk company. Kerja kita lebih sistematik lah sebab kita dah ada satu guideline untuk apa yang kita kena buat lepas ni. Maknanya dah ada 7. Saya harap kita semua bersatu lah untuk mencapai hasrat company.
Actually, on 2-3 years back, we did think that's a dream, you know. Wilson also did highlight what is our dreams. 2 of our boss, their dream is to listed. At time, we think that, wow, are you ready? Are we ready to go for listed? So that's why we have a KPI workshop here. This is our goal. It's not a dream anymore. This is our goal. So means we have to work together to reach the goal, to achieve it. We need to success it within the 5 years time. So I think this KPI actually is quite good because it have let everybody know, let our staff know what is company direction.
The KPI helped it a lot about proper systematic to control the needs of the growth of the company, work together, extend our operation, gives us a lot of confidence, really greatly help us to bring everybody together, better reputation and recognize in this construction industry sector.
So in this KPI guide you, so we have a clearer aim. I know everyone have a dream, but everyone have a dream, I understand. But how to fulfill your dreams? This is how we achieve your dreams, everything. Okay, and so you do your part. We management, we know how to do our part. I can grow together with you all in 3 to 5 years. This is our aims. This today is from Wilson. Okay, with this applause, thanks a lot to Wilson. Thanks for coming, Wilson. So thanks for your guide.
Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.